Good morning student. Welcome back to Gokuldas Public online classes. Okay? Okay. On Saturday we have read whole chapter number 3, safety and first aid. Now today we will start our notebook work. You don't have to write anything. You have to listen only. What you have to write in your notebook. Okay, just listen and pay attention on board only. Okay, first you have to write in your notebook new words of chapter number 3. Okay, no need to write anything. I will send you PDF of chapter number 3. Okay, first word immediate. Okay, first word is immediate. Then second word victim. Second word victim. Third panic. Third word is panic. Fourth word wounds. Fourth word wound. Number 5 tourniquet. Okay, it is a type of tight bandage. Then number 6 sprain. Number 6 sprain. Number 7 fracture. Number 7 fracture. Number 8 sling. Number 8 sling. Then number 9 splint. Number 9 splint. Number 10 minor burns. Minor burns. Number 11 severe burns. Okay. Number 12 blisters. Number 12 blisters. Number 13 rabies. Number 14 antiseptic lotion. And number 15 first aid. Okay. First you have to write chapter number, then chapter name, then you have to write new words. What is the first one? Immediate. Read with me. Immediate. Then second, victim. Third, panic. Fourth one is wounds. Fifth, tourniquet. Number 6, Sprain. Sprain means a twist in a joint. Then fracture. Number 7 is fracture. A crack or break in a bone is called fracture. Sling. Number 8 is sling. It is used in fracture when it is happening in our arm. Splint. Splint gives support when fracture is happened in our leg. Then there are 2 types of burns. Number 10 is minor burns. Number 11, severe burns. Number 12, blisters. Number 13, rabies. Number 14 is antiseptic lotion. And number 15 is first aid. This is the new word of chapter number 3. Then after new words, what you have to write? Then you have to write question 1. Write the correct option. Okay. It is given in your book, page number 37. Only orally I am revising. Just tick the correct option. You have to write it from your book. A dash occurs when a joint gets twisted. What happened? Number 1, a sprain. Sprain is the correct answer. Sprain occurs when joint gets twisted. Okay. Then number 2, the rabies virus is carried by. Option A is dogs, B wolves, C monkeys, D all of this. So second answer is all of this is given in your book. Okay. Then third, for putting out a petrol fire, we should, option A, throw water on it, B, throw sand on it, option C, turn off the gas supply, D, switch off the electricity supply. So option B, throw sand on it. Okay. First one is option A, spring. Second, the rabies virus is carried by all of this. Okay, by dogs, monkeys, wolves. So option D is correct. Then third, for putting out a petrol fire, we should throw sand on it. Then question number 2, just listen, no need to write anything. Then you have to write, fill in the blanks. First one, never brush the blister. Answer is blister. Okay. Never burns the blister formed due to burns. Second one, I am writing only answers. Okay. Fires can also be put out using fire extinguishers. Then third, dogs and cats are known to carry rabies virus. Fourth one, dash can occur anywhere at any time. Accident can occur at anywhere and at any time. Then fifth one, a sprained joint. Sprained. S-P-R-A-I-N-E-D. Sprained joint should not be moved much. Okay? Then you have to write, fill in the blanks from your book. Then now we will start our question answers. Answer the following. Answer the following questions. What is first aid? What is first question? What is first aid? Okay. All of you know the answer. What is first aid? The first medical help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives is called first aid. Okay, what is first aid? Repeat after me. What is the first question? What is first aid? The first medical help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives is called first aid. Then question number 2. What is second question given in your book? What are the rules for giving first aid? Second question, what are the rules for giving first aid? For all of you know very well, we have read the chapter giving first aid are what? First one, do not panic. Okay, do not panic. Second, do not make unnecessary noise. Okay. Third one, do not crowd around the victim. Okay. Then fourth point, stay calm and call an adult for help. Okay. Stay calm and call an adult for help. Then fifth point, get help from a doctor, if needed. Okay. What is the second question? What are the rules for giving first aid? So answer is, rules for giving first aid are, first you have to do not panic. Second, do not make unnecessary noise. Third one, do not crowd around the victim. Fourth point, stay calm and call an adult for help. And fifth point, get help from a doctor if needed. Okay, this is the question number 2. And question number 3. Question number 3. What is a spring? What is a spring? A twist in a joint is called a spring. Okay. Third question from your book. What is a spring? Answer is, a twist in a joint is called a spring. Okay. Then question number 4. What first aid should be? Should be given to the victim of major cut or wound. Okay. Then answer is, following first aid should be given to the victim of a major cut or wound. Okay. First, what you have to do? Wash your hand. First point you have to keep in your mind. Wash your hand before giving first aid. You have to wash your hand when you are giving first aid to anyone. Then second point, if a cut is small, then wash it with plenty of water. Okay. What is the first point? Wash your hand before giving first aid. Then, if the cut is small, wash it with plenty of water. Then, dry it and apply an antiseptic lotion or cream and put a band-aid over it. Okay. Then, if the wound is deep, third point, deep. Then place a thick pad of cotton wool over it and press it with thumb and fingers. Okay. Then tie a tourniquet bandage to stop the flow of blood. Okay. This is the question number 4. What first aid should be given to the victim of a major cut or wound? First aid is wash your hand before giving first aid. Then second, if the cut is small, then wash it with a plenty of water. Then apply antiseptic cream or lotion and put a band-aid over it. Then third point, if the wound is deep, then place a thick pad of cotton wool over it and press it with a thumb and finger. Then tie a tourniquet bandage to stop the flow of blood. Then next question. What first aid should be given to a victim of animal? Question number 5. Okay, next question given in your book. How will you fight fire caused by detective? How will you fight fire caused by defective wiring? Answer: if the fire is caused by defective wiring, it can be controlled by throwing sand over it. Fire can also be put out by using fire extinguishers. This is question number 5. Okay. How you will fight fire caused by defective wiring? If the fire is caused by defective wiring, it can be controlled by throwing sand over it, or fire can also be put by using fire extinguishers. Okay. Then next question, question number 6. What first aid should be given to a victim of animal bite. Okay. Then answer is following first aid should be given to a victim of animal bite. First, apply any antiseptic lotion to prevent infection. Okay, what first aid first you have to give is apply any antiseptic lotion to prevent infection. Then second, rush the victim to a doctor for anti-rabies injection. Listen, question number 6. What first aid should be given to a victim of animal bite? Following first aid should be given to a victim of animal bite. First, apply any antiseptic lotion to prevent infection. Then second, rush the victim to a doctor for anti-rabies injection. This is question number 6. Okay. I hope everyone understood this chapter very well. We have completed till today. We have completed 3 chapters. Chapter 1, plants increasing the numbers. Chapter 4, houses around us. And this is chapter number 3, safety and first aid. I hope everyone has completed chapter number 1. Still some students are not sending their classwork notebook for correction, classwork work. So if you have completed your work, please send it to me on WhatsApp for correction. Okay, I hope everyone has understood this chapter very well. 3 chapters we have completed. Chapter number 1, plants increasing the numbers. Then chapter number 4, houses around us. Then chapter number 3, safety and first aid. Okay. I request all the students to complete their work on time and send it to me. Okay, for correction. Okay, what you have to, we have completed, listen carefully, we have completed chapter 1, okay, then chapter 4, then chapter number 3, okay, you have to complete chapter 1, work I have sent PDF, already sent PDF. You have to complete it from there only. Do neat and clean work. I don't want any untidy work. Please do it in good handwriting. Okay? Do it in good handwriting, neat and clean work. Okay? And send it to me as soon as possible. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye, student. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye.